So that's about air scrubbing. One general thing for getting orders in, or at least requests for projects, is that we have a dealer quotation sheet. And this is actually a very simple fill-in sheet for your salesman or for your dealer. It makes it more efficient, as the person with the end customer knows what is really necessary. So it's a list of information that helps us specify a system for you. This makes the offer process more efficient and more reliable. It saves a lot of time between requests and making the offer. The sales communication with the customer is stronger. And it's also important at the beginning of the process that all of us have the correct information to specify the right system. So it's basically standard with the customer details, the type of animals, number of animals, ventilation rates, and also the type of air scrubber that you want, what's available, the ventilation design, and what the requirements are for ammonia, dust, and odor removal. So it's very simple, but it's basically all the information that we need to specify the right system. And it makes the salesman look more knowledgeable, and it prevents a lot of questions going back and forth between the customer, yourself, and us, which makes the process more efficient, but also makes us look more professional.